Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Robby from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very cool looking piggy. Probably one of the coolest ones I've seen, especially with his arm. So let's start out with his head, and we're going to draw in the overall head shape first, which is going to be one big circle. This almost looks like the Borg from Star Trek. Okay, so then from this overall head shape, just come out to the center of the circle, come up, make a little dot, Draw another circle almost all the way down. So this is gonna be a snout. Okay, and then come to the middle of this circle, and then just come out to the side. Let's draw two little egg shapes. It's gonna be his nostrils, and let me shade those in real quick. Alright, and then from here we're gonna draw in his eyes, so just come out to the corner right here. We'll just draw in the circle shape first. Same thing on this side. So now for the cool little details on his head, right next to this eye right here, I'm just gonna draw in one little slant. And then I'll turn that into a bar. There's gonna be one more on this side, just right underneath the circle. And it's all gonna be pointing in toward the snout area. So let's draw one more to turn that into a bar. Okay, and then on the other side right here, just make a little mark. Come down. From here, come to this corner, make a little point. And then we're gonna connect this curve all the way around the eyes. Okay, and then right here, make a little line, and then right here we're gonna add a little peak shape here. So we're gonna go up, straight up. Just angle. And then whatever space you have here, just connect it with a straight line. And let me shade that in real quick so we can see these shapes a little bit better. So the shapes are really odd. Don't worry if yours is not exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these shapes in there. It should look cool. Okay, let me shade this in real quick. Okay, and then for his cheeks right here, right on the side right here, I'm just gonna add a little egg shape. And then on this side, it's gonna be behind this, this little bar. So it's just gonna cut right into it. Okay, and then lastly for the eyes, there's some details right here. So come to the center, we're gonna simplify this. Here's the center. I'm just gonna draw a little bar right underneath. And then now on the top right here, I'm gonna draw one more going up with a slant. Gonna draw one more right here, smaller one. I know there's more than this. I'm just gonna draw 4. So just all starting at the center. Okay, so now let's draw in the ears. So just come up from the eye. Let's draw one big circle all the way around. It's gonna be behind the head. So just come up. Start from this point. Okay, so that's his head, and then now for his body, which is really cool looking. Okay, we're gonna start up here. Just draw 2 lines. This is gonna be his armpit right here. We'll just close that off first. We'll slant in and then close this off. So this is gonna be his waist area. And let's keep going down. So I'm gonna start in here. Just kind of go back out a little bit more. So it's a little bit wider here. And then we'll close that off. And then from the bottom here, we'll add in one more detail. We'll extend this line and turn this into a rectangle. Okay, so that's gonna be the whole upper body area, and the legs gonna be right underneath. And then now for the details inside here, let's draw another line. 2 lines coming down, and we'll round this off. And then just close it off with a horizontal line. Okay, and then right on the waist area, just smaller details right here. You can make 2 little dots. We're gonna slant in. Just round it out and then just go back out. Round it out, go out to the side. Okay, so let's draw in this arm first, because this one's got the chainsaw, which is really cool. So again, here's the armpit. Start on the shoulder, curve down, and then for the bicep, we'll just continue down. This is gonna be the elbow. Keep going down, just one little bump here, all the way down to the waist area, to the hip. Okay, so this is gonna be his wrist. So now we can draw in his hand. For his thumb, just one little hook. Draw a little line there. Here's the back of the hand. And then now for the fingers, we'll just curl this in, round it out, and then just connect to the top here. And then for the other fingers, we'll add just one little bump there. Okay, so now let's draw in the other arm, and which is really cool looking. So we're gonna start out right here on the shoulders. Just draw in pretty much a big rectangle. Just come down an angle right here. Draw one line. And now we're gonna slant downwards. Okay, so just come down. Hook it and just come back up here. Draw the same slant as this, and then just close it off. Okay, so this is gonna be the base of the chainsaw. So now we're gonna keep going down, same slant as this. Start right here, just go down. Come back up here, same slant. All the way down, but just stop a little bit short here. And then now whatever space you have here, just round it out. So that's gonna be the tip of the chainsaw. Okay, and then for the blades, this one's very easy. We just gonna draw in a bunch of little lines like this coming out first. And then from this corner, we'll just connect to that. So it looks like a bunch of little, basically a bunch of little triangles for the blades. And then the last one right here, just kind of tuck it in. All right, and then let's see some details in here. We can add in a circle right in the middle with this whole blade, and then let's add in a little slant right here. And right here, I'm gonna add in 2 small circles and maybe just one on this side. And then if you wanna add in a little bit more details, just add a little box right in the corner. Okay, so now let's connect this. So same slant as this. Just draw a little bar. And then on the bottom here, just kind of give it a little bit of a curve and a smaller one, smaller bar. All right, so yeah, very cool looking chainsaw. So now for his legs, very easy. From the middle, let's draw one little line, and then let's draw the inside of the legs first. So I'm just gonna come down, just flare out just a little bit. Come back to the hip. Same slant as this, and as you get to the bottom, just add a little hump, a little bump, and then just close it off. Okay, same thing on this side, just follow the same slant. One little bump, and then close it off with a horizontal line. Alright, so that is it for this very cool looking Robby. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.